All right, this is a brand new Robinson R44 Raven 2. Black, not the metallic black, but the deep black with viper blue stripes. Looks very good. N number is November 10 Quebec Hotel. Serial number is 13990. Just got this back from California. This one has everything. So, tan leather interior, fire extinguisher, air conditioned of course, bubble windows, all four, vertical compass, digital clock. We have the Aspen Pro flight display to power the autopilot. It's got autopilot. Genesis Helistas autopilot. Garmin 225 radios, pilot's avionics console with the Garmin 750. Intercom, it's got the 350 Garmin intercom. 4 Bose interface. Accessory bars, USB ports in the back. Extra corrosion protection. Beautiful helicopter. The only time it has is the ferry time and from the factory. 23 hours on it. 2016 Robinson R44 Raven 2.